Okay. Wonderful. Very nice. Bye bye, brother. Bye bye. Wow. So good. Look at it. Katiki Waterfalls. Yeah. There is one very beautiful bridge. Okay. Let's ride the auto on the top of this bridge. Going to Katiki Waterfall. Beautiful. Now it's going up. Here is the Katiki Waterfall, but it's too far from here. Trying to capture from my GoPro. So we are going nearby. We will go close by and I will show you. Okay, this one. Train tunnel. Oh yeah. They are making or it's already running. Oh, now I can see, yeah. Wow. Okay. Tunnels, wow. Just yesterday, I did not know I would meet your family. I met a beautiful family and we are just traveling like a family.
Yeah.
See, very unexpected. I'm quite happy today. Yeah. Traveling, yeah. I think we have to stop the auto here. Okay, here we have the Katiki Waterfall. Katika or Katika. Okay, here also we have the bamboo biryani. Oh my god, the roads are crazy. So many bumpy. It's a bumpy road. Okay, let's see the best view before the sunset. Okay, finally here we are. The Katiki Waterfall. Let's go! Can you see the waterfall? Over there. Okay, come on, let's start the journey. Your mama, papa is just... They're shopping again. Okay, go and tell them to come back. Otherwise, there will be sunset and we will not see any water. Here we have the waterfall. We will try to go as much as possible too close. Let's go first and let's do shopping later.
Yeah.
If there is sunset, then we will not see any water. It will be too dark.
Very cold.
Yeah, obviously that's why I did not remove this sweater. Okay, now we have the stairs again. Come on. Let's start the trip with me, with your big brother. Oh, good. Again, so many stairs. We have to climb up.
You should go to Tirumala. There is a best place in Andhra Pradesh. And there is a lot of steps.
This place?
No, Tirumala.
Tirumala.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a little bit downwards. And here the ghats are also very nice. It's actually the part of a ghats, but it's really high.
How much far from here?
Mummy, Tirumala.
4 hours. Okay. By car or by train?
Buses also.
Okay, by bus. This kid is going to be an adventurer when he grows. See, he never complains about anything. He is full of excitement and enthusiasm. Wow. Climbing up. Walk, walk, walk. Hey, Hardik, do not run. Just go slowly only. Don't run. Otherwise, your total energy will drain. Damn it, too many stairs. But the best view comes after the hardest climb. I will never get fat. Finally, now we have a plan for about 20 meters. Chalo, chalo, aage baro. What is this? What is this? What is this plant? Arthik, any idea? What is this plant? Coffee? No, it's not coffee. Super. Okay, let's stop here for a moment. Let's shoot the video from here. Whoa! Wonderful. Go that way. Let's see the view. from here. Excuse me. Wow. Okay, let me take a short video. If you want to come here. Wow. Here. Okay. Let me walk up a little bit. Okay, this is how we see from the top view. So beautiful. Here. Wow. This looks too good. Oh. So beautiful. I like this. But I will go up there. Then stairs. But before I'm going there, I will try to take a shot from here. Excuse me, Anna, for us. Wow. So good. Look at it. And I can feel the water sprinkle over my face. But I will not take a bath because I did not bring my extra clothes for this. Kartik, come here. What a lovely kid. He loves adventure. He's just only 10 years old in 4th class standard, but he's so ready to start a new adventure all the time. That is his mama. That is his papa. Here. What a supportive father. His father is actually very good. Very supportive. Wow. Come here, Arctic. Take one over here. Go that way. Go to this way. Go, you want to come here? Come on. Let me give you a hand. Oh, sir, you're already an adventurer. Go on. You want to take one here? Okay, come here. Come stand here. I will guide you. Come stand here. You don't want to get wet? Okay, no problem. I said you want to. Huh?
It's so cold.
I have towel. In case if you get wet, I have towel. Don't worry. Call your mommy. Should we go up there? Let's go. Only this one. No, this is here. No, not from here. Obviously from there. Akka! Akka! इसी चलो. Okay. आ जाओ. This is very beautiful. I will give you a hand. See, the father and son, adventure lover. Okay, after this, let's go up there. That's there. Okay. Katika Waterfalls. Okay, stand here. I want to make a video. Memories. Okay, stand here. Katika Waterfall.
Katika Waterfalls.
Yay! Great! Now we have to go one more step up. We are going up one more level. It's getting dark. It's getting dark now. Look at the crowd now. Oh my god. There's no space to go in. It's getting blocked. Oh my god. But I will go in anyway. I will go in anyway. I don't want to give up. Oh my god. So many people. Excuse me. Okay, we're going in. Either it's crowded or not. We are stuck here. So beautiful. Yeah, I'm from Manipur, brother. And you?
Visakhapatnam Jilla.
I am coming there. I am coming from Visakhapatnam. Wonderful. Finally, I'm on the top. Wow. Excuse me. On the go. Okay, I'll show you on my film. Do something like this. Okay. Wonderful. Very nice. Wow. Yes, bro. Looks so good. Can I stand here for a moment? Okay, no problem. I will go and stand there. Wow! So good. Very nice. Wow, they're having the best moment of their life. So good. Katika Waterfall. Nice. You want to be in the frame? On video. Say something. That's okay, not yet. I was just kidding. Yeah. Rishi. Yeah, Rishi is my name. D-A, Rishi. So good. Now I'll go back. This is very good. Very good.
Which state?
Manipur. Yeah, you should come to Manipur one day. Manipur has very beautiful place also. You should come. Bye bye, brother. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Go station.
Yay! Excuse me. Wow. Yeah, I'm a solo traveler.
Okay. No. This way.
Yeah. I'm looking for a family. I came with a family. Telugu family.
Telugu family.
Yeah.
Hey, no.
Hey, that's okay.
Go down.
I'm going down now. I'm going down. Thank you. Excuse me, brother. I want to go there. आराम से Can I go here? I want to go. Okay. Excuse me, I want to go back.
भाई आप ब्लॉगर है
हाँ, I'm a
मेरे
blogger.
फ्रेंड्स को खींचा है
Who?
इधर
Your friend is also blogger. Your friend is also blogger.
माय फ्रेंड इज आल्सो ब्लॉगर
Okay, very nice. What an amazing. What an adventure I had. This is why I came for. This is too good. I love the place. It's so beautiful. The view from above. This is right. The best view comes after the hardest climb. Wow. Where is that family? The lovely Telugu family. Where have they gone? Right now, finally, I came back from the waterfall. It was an amazing experience I had here. Now I have to look for the family one more time. How was it, brother? You like it? You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Me too.
Full cold.
Yeah, because it is winter.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manipur, brother.
Manipur.
Yeah.
What are you doing, vlogger?
Yeah, I'm a blogger. This was a very amazing experience. Finally, we just came back from the waterfall. This is the foothill of the waterfall. The lovely family has lost again. So I will go to the auto and I will wait for them until they come back here. Excuse me. Here's the parking spot. Okay, I will go there and I will sit and wait for them. Here is our auto. Finally it's done. I'm getting soaked and wet from the sprinkle of the waterfall. So good. It was a very good day, a very productive day. That's the spawn. I climb up, just came down. Fulfilled. Another milestone completed. Very good. Okay, now I want to try Amruthapani. Amruthapani, yeah.
You can show that.
Yeah. See, this is almost like only 4 inch. I think it could be like 3 to 4 inch only. It's very short. And I want to try. This is very popular in Andhra. Amruthapani. You like it? Yeah, you're right. It's too sweet. Banana is very good for health.
Yeah.
Enjoy. This is one of the best day of my life. Actually, my day would be very boring in case if I did not meet your family.
Okay.
I mean, I don't think I can cover all of this place because I will first of all I will have the language problem.
Yeah. You don't know where to go, how to go, what is the next point and all, and
Yeah, and probably also the the transportation charge would be much higher
Yeah. What he said, you know, from that Burra caves to Katika Waterfalls only 1200.
Oh my god.
Native language?
Manipuri.
Oh, language.
Manipuri or Maitailon?
Can
Yeah.
you teach me?
I will teach you.
1 or 2 words.
Okay.
నడే ఆటోనా
ఇక్కడ వెనకాల ఉన్నాడు చూడు, అడుగుచ్చో ఉన్నాడు.